Annyeonghaseyo, Sir Vicky. So we're currently here at AUS at Gate 3. AUS Learning and Skills Training Center. We already enrolled Milji here, and she will start attending class this month, June. Are you excited? Yeah. So Nilji and I will be attending school. Nilji for elementary, and I'll be attending senior high. Thank you. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Sir Vicky. So we already enrolled Nilji and ALS, and we're currently eating lunch here at Jollibee. Are you happy?
Thank you, Sir Vicky. Annyeonghaseyo, chonan 열다섯 살 총학교 1학년 가진입니다. Flight attendant. Good evening, teacher. Good evening, classmate. My name is Karjin B. Pascolado. I am 15 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a flight attendant because this is my dream, and I want to explore the different country and different language. And I want to experience the different culture, and I believe if you study every day, I will be a successful flight attendant. And I want to help my family, especially my father and mother, because my father and mother work so hard for my future and for my siblings, so that when we grow up, we will be able to live a comfortable life and help our parents because they can't work anymore, because they are old, and so that we can return their sacrifice that they made for us. Thank you.
안녕하세요. 저는 10살 중학교 7학년 윌지입니다. 감사합니다. I want to be pilot. My name is Wilji B. Manayn, and I am 13 years old. And I live in Cabatuan, Lapu-Lapu City. I like to be a pilot because I can go to the sky, and I can go to the other country. Because I love to drive the airplane. Because it amazes how a pilot can handle such a big aircraft with all the passengers' safety and in the pilot's hands. It is also my dream to help my family. I believe can help me in my family's life be improved, and I always pray to the Lord I'm safety.
안녕하세요. 저는 10살 중학교 1학년 윌지입니다. My name is Jan Vincent Antigamara, and I am 13 years old. I live in Cabatuan, Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City. I want to be a police because I want to protect my family and other people. And I want to catch all criminals, and I teach proper manners, and I help all people who need me, and I respect any country and other people. I adore that they protect the people need them, and I training. I want to become good police, and I always pray to the Lord I am safety to my work and also my family.
안녕하세요. 저는 16살 중학교 2학년 전이나입니다. 감사합니다.
Louder, Julina, louder.
I want to be a doctor. Good evening, teacher. Good evening, classmate. My name is Jolina Manzo. I am 14 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor because I love to help my family and other people. And I am proud myself because my dream is for me. I was able to thank my family for sending me to school, and I promise myself that if anyone needs help from our doctor, you can call me or their teacher, and I will go to the place where I live and go to my baby so that I can rest there, and I wish my family are safe because of them. I reach my dream. Kamsahamnida.
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 중학교 1학년 나시입니다. Good evening, teacher. Good evening, classmate. My name is Nashdi Gonzalez. I am 12 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. Ensure in the future because they essential in our society because they treat people. They are heroes because they do their best and make us faith and fight. I want to become a doctor because I have seen a lot of serious cases which were cured by a doctor. Also want to help and service the people in my city. I see a lot of poor people suffering and cannot afford medical treatment in my family and help many people in a day. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 10살 중학교 2학년 준리입니다. Doctor. Good evening, teacher. My name is Junri Arlanoy. I live in Cabatuan, Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City. I want to be a doctor because I want to help my family and other people. I will promise myself I want to finish college because I want to grow up a doctor. I want to call me a superhero. I want to be buy a house and car and things to my family and brother. Because of my dream, I want to study hard. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 중학교 1학년 나이지입니다. 감사합니다. Seaman, every kind and different kind of dreams in the future goals to achieve dreams to achieve and work to achieve. I'm Nigel Jansoliba, your future seaman. Why seaman? Because for me, seaman is the best for me. Who dreams a big like an ocean? The boy who want to help my parents, my relatives, and to my friends. To achieve this dream, I need to study hard. I pose what my goals and my goal is and work hard everything and every time that can help me to achieve it, and especially the help of my parents, their hard work and sacrifice to our Lord God, who always there to hear our prayers and to guide us always.
안녕하세요, Marvelous. Sige na, absent pang ka yesterday. Sige tawa eh. Ha? Ano absent ka? Ikatulo na nimong absent. Pag first o second din yung absent niya, dapat i-video mo na ako. Ipatawag mo na ako dari sa study room. Wala mo na mari. Kalimot na natin. Ha? Karon ikatulo na ron nimong absent. First nimong absent, unsay rason? Kaya namdum ka na. Ha? So rason eh. Mabilis. Misir. Pungutan mo. Tubag ba? Uy. Ay, sige, kato na lang gabi eh. Ang sa may rason ni mga nang absent ka. absent kayo last night, yesterday? Honest nga answer ha. Ay, sig tanaw-tanaw nila. Ano sa'yo rason mo?
Nagluto mi kapayas.
Luto ka pa yes, waka kahibaw nga natay klase.
Abi ko galas ayos 35 na. Abi pa ko.
Nya karon kay katulo naman na mga absent. Di ba giingnan man mo nga makatulo mo ka absent. Tangtang na mo. Ha? Natangtang na karon. Ha? Hindi man. Pahinamduman ti ka, pag first ni mga absent ka gani, abot ka dere og 7:40. So 20 minutes na lang mag-end na ang klase. Pag kasunod nga absent nimo, pauli ka nako kay tig-recite na to nga time. Ang imong mga classmates busy kayo og memorize. Tagaan man akong time nga mag-memorize ato kay aron nga mag-video na ta. Sa dihang ang ikaw, nagsige ra kag kiat. Naka-distract pa ka sa imong mga classmates. So para nga di sila ma-distract, ipauli ka nako. Pero wa jud ganing uli ato nga time. Pero giabsina na tika. Kay wala man gihapon, igo naman ka nagsamok-samok diri, wala man ka nag-cooperate. Kinamdum ka to? Ha? Kinamdum ka ba? Kinamdum ba ka? Mararam po yung istorya. Ano si Janilyn?
Tingasa teacher Sal.
Ano absent lang ka yesterday?
Luto kapayas.
Lutong kapayas para panihapon? Okay.
Di man gani gabi ina.
Ay, para panihapon lagi.
Ay,
Yang ano wala man ka nang inform na ko.
kalimot.
Ha?
Bakari. Kalimot.
Limot ka gari? Kalimot ka nga natay klase. Ha? Sunod ha, kung absent mo, inform mo daan o kuan sa inyong mga rason. Ha? Sige, first kuan pa man mo. First absent. Ayaw mo pag absent. Sa formal school, yung absent mo wala.
Wala.
Okay.
Is the main idea of each of the three paragraphs. For each paragraph, less down at least 3 supporting details. Why do you think spiders are amazing creators? Below are adverbs of intensity on your paper copy. Each sentence and insert and very to fairly enough pretty just
Thank you, Mama and Papa, for helping me how to read and spell. Salamat sad kay imong minggi pa eskwela bisan kinahanglan. Sorry maupa kay sige ni pabadlong ninyo. Salamat kaayo ma kay bisan sige ni pabadlong lab gihapon nimo. Sorry ma upa kay sige ko og tubag-tubag ninyo. Salamat kay bisan sige mi og kiat kay atiman gyapon ninyo. Sorry kay sige mi og pagayson og pangayo o kwarta.
Sabta ang mga sitwasyon. Pagbutang og check sa blanco kung nasunod ang katungod pagbutang og X kon wala kini nasunod. Number 1. Si Fred dili makakaon katulo sa usa ka adlaw. Si Gigi nagpuyo sa hapsay nga balay kuyog ang pamilya. Kanunay nga bunalan sa iyang mga ginikanan si Hilda. Wala na mo eskwela si Riri kay patrabaho ra siya.
In the shadow. One day, a dog had found a piece of meat and was carrying it home in its mouth to eat. On its way home, it had to cross a running creek. As it crossed, it looked down in the water and saw its own shadow in the water. It thought the shadow was another dog with another piece of meat. It made up its mind to have that second piece. But as it opened its mouth, the piece of meat fell into the water and was never seen more. The dog went home sadly with no food to eat.